Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session we will be studying another 3 words, that's from here till there. Page number 17 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. The first word we have is thuburan, and it can be divided into 3 syllables. The first syllable we have is tha dhamma thu. Tha is a light letter, it has dhamma on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Tha dhamma thu, tha dhamma thu, tha dhamma thu. The next syllable we have is ba dhamma waw sakoon. Ba is a light letter, it has dhamma on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a hidden sakoon, and it will be prolonged for 2 counts. با ضم واو سكون بو با ضم واو سكون بو با ضم واو سكون بو. Combining these 2 syllables we have ثبو ثبو ثبو. The next syllable we have is ra fathatain run. Ra is heavy in this case, it has fathatain on top of it, it is followed by alif, and this alif is silent. Ra fathatain run, ra fathatain run, ra fathatain run. Combining all 3 syllables we have thuburan thuburan thuburan. The next word we have is rasulin. It can be divided into 3 syllables. So the first syllable we have is ra fatha ra. Ra is heavy in this case, and it has fatha on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. را فتحة را را فتحة را را فتحة را. The next syllable we have is sin dhamma waw sakoon. Sin is a light letter, it has dhamma on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a hidden sakoon, and it will be prolonged for 2 counts. Sin dhamma waw sakoon su. Sin dhamma waw sakoon su. Sin dhamma waw sakoon su. Combining these 2 syllables we have rasu rasu rasu. The next syllable we have is lam kasratain lin. Lam is light in this case, and it has kasratain underneath. Lam kasratain lin, lam kasratain lin, lam kasratain lin. Combining all 3 syllables we have rasulin rasulin rasulin. The next word we have is shuhudun. It can be divided into 3 syllables. The first syllable we have is sheen dhamma shu. Sheen is a light letter, it has dhamma on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Sheen dhamma shu, sheen dhamma shu, sheen dhamma shu. The next syllable we have is ha dhamma waw sakoon. Ha is a light letter, it has dhamma on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a hidden sakoon, and it will be prolonged for 2 counts. Ha dhamma waw sakoon hu, ha dhamma waw sakoon hu, ha dhamma waw sakoon hu. Combining these 2 syllables we have shuhu shuhu shuhu. The next syllable we have is dal dhammatain dun. Dal is a light letter, and it has dhammatain on top of it. Dal dhammatain dun, dal dhammatain dun, dal dhammatain dun. Combining all 3 syllables we have shuhudun shuhudun shuhudun. The next few slides would be sounds only. thuburan thuburan thuburan. rasulin rasulin rasulin. shuhudun shuhudun shuhudun. So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.